Let's make homemade spaghetti sauce. All natural at konti lang ang ingredients na kailangan. Ito ang spaghetti na hindi ka magigilty pag kinain mo kasi all natural. I mean, no preservatives ang sauce. At masarap. Let's begin. Sa isang pot, let's boil water and add some salt. Then add natin ang spaghetti noodles. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure na stir natin occasionally and cook until al dente. Habang niluluto natin ang spaghetti noodles, we can start the spaghetti sauce. Let's heat oil over medium-high. Then mag-chop tayo ng garlic, about 2 to 3 cloves garlic lang. Tapos add natin sa heated oil and cook until lumabas ang aroma nito. Then add natin ang mga tomatoes. I used cherry tomatoes po kasi cherry tomatoes are really sweet and very juicy. Ang mga cherry tomatoes nga pala na ito ay galing sa aming bakuran. Kaya fresh na fresh yan. Then isiso natin ng freshly ground pepper, salt, and sugar. Haluin natin to combine the seasoning and then hayaan natin kumulo about 5 to 6 minutes until ang mga tomatoes ay mag-burst open at mag-release ng kanilang juice. Dahil ready na ang noodles natin, let's drain it. Ang sauce natin, if you look at the cherry tomatoes, nag-burst open na siya and very juicy na. So kung tomatoes nyo ay hindi ganito kakatas, make sure to reserve some pasta water so you can add it here later. Now, ilagay na natin ang cooked spaghetti noodles. I-toss nyo lang hanggang mag-fully combine ang sauce at ang spaghetti. About 2 minutes. Turn off nyo ang heat, then top with freshly grated parmesan cheese. Then isiso natin ang basil. Kung meron kayong fresh basil, much better. Mas maraming cheese, mas masarap. O ayan, ready na. Kain po tayo. Gusto niyo bang makita behind the scenes? Hanggang dito ba naman makulit pa rin ang kamatis? O try niyo na, masarap yan. Enjoy! Thanks for watching! Simot sarap!